So hey guys, in this video we gonna talk about 5 grooming tips that all attractive guys do daily to become more handsome instantly. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the video. So let's start with tip number 1. Use sugar syrup and toothbrush daily. As you wake up in morning, first thing to do is to drink water, and then you should brush your teeth. Everyone do this, but handsome men do more than this shit. After brushing, apply some toothpaste to your lips, and leave it for a few seconds and clean it by rubbing toothbrush vertically to your lips. So basically this will exfoliate your lips and remove all the dead skin on your lips. And then you can use sugar syrup to make them glow instantly. So let's move on to tip number 2. Bathing with cold shower. Cold shower helps you to be more attractive in many ways. The way you look now, it will make you 10 times better than what you are. It will help you to become fresh and more energetic throughout the day, which will help you to do your work. And as you all know, time is the most precious thing, and the cold shower take less time for bathing. This will increase your time throughout the day, especially for men who loves hot shower. Stop taking that shit. It decreases your testosterone level. If you take cold shower, it increases your efficiency and sperm count too, and help you to become more attractive and muscular. So here we go to the tip number 3 on the list. I have a nice smile. I don't need any oral routine. So basically you get that. The tip number 3 is oral routine. Attractive guys have white teeth and have a good breath. You also want to be attractive. You also need white teeth and a good breath. What you can do: brush your teeth daily and use a mouthwash. And always eat a chewing gum while you are out. So let's hang on to tip number 4. You should have well-groomed body. Hey, I am fit. I have a nice bicep. It doesn't matter at all. What matter is grooming. Like the way you dressed. You should have trimmed nails, well-dressed, and moisturized hair, as well as your washed and moisturized face. These all things matters at all. Let's break on to last but not the least, number 5. Your body odor. It's a huge disappointment if a girl smells your sweat. So what you can do: have a good cologne, which has a nice fragrance, and last for a long time. This will help you to gain more confidence, because you smells good and everyone who comes near you be like, oh, I like this shit. Oh my god, that was amazing. But never buy a perfume or a cologne with a strong fragrance, because handsome guys doesn't do this shit at all. So guys, that's all for today's video. See you guys next, so stay tuned.